Hey, hello guys, what's up? How are you? Ignore these emojis. So let's create new project in this Unity Hub. Let's name it first project. First project. Okay. Let's press on create project. So this is our scene after loading. It took some time to load, and this is the folder of scene where our scene is present. This is our main camera. So I'm just pressing right mouse button and WASD keys to move front and back. You can also press E to up and Q to down. This is directional light. This makes this puts light on in our scene. So let's create a plane. These are if we press keys W, E, R and T, O and Y, then you can see as follow. Now let's press R and scale it. Okay, plane cannot be scaled in Y position. Let's create some materials. Okay, oh sorry, let's create a folder now. Let's create a folder. Materials, and put that material inside. Okay, so let's create another material. Let's give it another color. Increase the metallic option as your wish. Okay, I have changed the color. Now let's create empty game object so that we can put our player inside. Empty game object, let's name it player. Now inside we will create cube. Okay, press W and move it. I have added the color to the cube. Okay, let's adjust the camera. Oh, wait a minute. I will add some rigid body inside it. Oh, the camera is not in correct position, so let's change the position. Let us give it correct position. Okay, make it as 0, and now let's change the position of camera. I'm changing the position as I can see the player. Now rotate in x-axis. Oh sorry, x-axis, not in y. Now it is perfect. It is not looking so good, so let us wait a minute. So let us change its position and rotation. Now it will look some kind of interesting. It's looking very nice. So now okay, let's change its position. Okay, and this is box collider which is attached to this cube. So, we can also press that icon and see that. So let us create a C# script. First of all, let us create a folder and name it as scripts. Open it and create a C# script. Name player movement. Okay, so let us open it. After opening this, let us create a public rigid body. Name it RB. Now let us create serialized field vector 3 and name it vector force. Okay, now again serialized field and key code forward key, and also again let's create serialized field key code and backward key. Okay, so we don't need start function. Let's delete it and change the update to fix the update. Now rb dot get component rigid body brackets and dot velocity plus equal to vector force colon. Don't forget writing colon. Okay, just write what I'm doing. If input dot get key forward key, then rb dot get component rigid body dot velocity equal to plus equal to vector force. Okay, do the same, copy all, but write key as backward key. Now paste it, rb.get component, paste it all. Okay, control C and control V. Put as minus equal to vector force. Okay, now let's save this script and go into Unity. Okay, let me tell you what I have done here. First of all, we took public rigid body RB, serialized field, we used serialized field components, and in fixed update we used all these components. So okay, then now Unity is loaded. Let's add the script, player movement script to our player. Now put the cube in the rigid body place, because it is allowing, because cube has rigid body. If not, you may get some errors on playing. Now add some force on z axis. Let's add 2, and in forward key let's put up arrow. Okay, in backward key put down arrow. Okay, now just let's press. Okay, it's running away. We have to reduce force, put 0.2. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, fine, it's working correctly. Okay, let's add main camera to the player. Oh, this is a mistake I have done. We must not add to player, we have to add main camera to the cube. So okay, no problem. It's working correctly. Just now we'll just remove the main camera, go back to its we'll put it back to its place. Now in cube, let's go in rigid body and constraints, freeze rotation in x, y and z axis. Okay, now let's play it. It's not moving, so there is less force, so that it is not moving. I just pressed Control Z Control Z to reset the constraints. Now okay, I'm increasing the force to 0.5. As you wish, you can put the force. Okay, 0.6 is too fast. Let's put 0.4. Okay, movement is very okay, it's fine. So now add another script, add another once again add the player movement in player. Now this time we are adding right and left arrows, and in x-axis put 0.4. So okay, wait a minute, this has got some errors. These are the errors. So there is no cube no rigid body component in the script. Okay, so now it's moving correctly. Okay. Oh. Now I have created the script for the jump, and now let's create public rigid body RB and public float jump force is equal to, let's put 2f. Okay, and now if input dot get key down key code dot space, then now you just copy what I have wrote here, this one, and now if input dot get key down, sorry, up, key code dot space, then RB dot add force, vector 3 dot up to jump force, comma force mode dot impulse. Oh sorry, this is down, not up, dot impulse colon. Okay, now just let's save this and go into Unity. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I have saved the script, and let's throw the script in the player and increase the force to 3. Now put this cube in rigid body RB. Now let's play. Oh, it's not working as I expected, so let's increase the force to, wait a minute, let's increase this force to 5. Now let's play. Okay, it's still not working very correctly, so now I put this into increase the force into it. Now it's working very fine. Okay, so we are making this game as endless runner, so we are decreasing this its size in x-axis and adding a game object platform. Okay, platform, and throw this plane into this platform, and now you just create a cube. Okay, and do as you have how do you see, what do you see in this video? This is in fast forward mode now.